In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to cancel your account from the billing settings. By the end, you'll know exactly where to click and what to expect, so the process feels straightforward and stress-free. First, make sure you're signed in on the website or app. Look toward the top right corner of the screen and click your profile icon. This might appear as your photo, your initials, or a small avatar. Clicking it opens a menu with options related to your account. From that menu, choose Billing and Upgrade. This takes you to the billing area where you can see details like your current plan and payment information. Interface labels vary a little between devices and updates, but if you see Billing, Billing and Plans, or something similar, that's the right place. Before moving on, it's a good idea to briefly scan this page so you understand your plan status and renewal date, especially if you're timing your cancellation around a billing cycle. Next, scroll all the way down to the bottom of the billing page. The cancellation option is intentionally placed near the end, so keep scrolling until you see the link or button labeled Cancel Your Account. When you find it, click it. This launches the cancellation flow, which is designed to confirm that you truly want to proceed. On the next screen, click Continue to Cancel. This step moves you past any prompts that might encourage you to keep your plan or switch to a different one. Choosing Continue to Cancel indicates you're set on ending the account rather than pausing or downgrading. You'll then see an agreement or acknowledgement. Check this agreement box. It typically confirms that you understand what cancellation means, such as when access ends and how your data is handled according to the service's policy. Take a moment to read it so there are no surprises. If there's anything you want to keep, make sure you've already saved what you need before proceeding. Finally, click Continue. This completes the cancellation process and submits your request. After you do this, you may see an on-screen confirmation, and you might receive a confirmation message in your email inbox. Keep that confirmation for your records. That's it. You clicked your profile. In the top right corner, went to Billing and Upgrade, scrolled down to select Cancel Your Account, chose Continue to Cancel, checked the agreement, and clicked Continue. If your layout looks a little different, look for similarly named options like billing, plan, or subscription. Thanks for watching, and I hope this walkthrough made cancellation